Hey everybody, it's Christina of CraftyPaws. I wanted to come on and share a quick haul video. They're small hauls, but I think that they're really special and I wanted to share them with you. I don't normally do haul videos, but these are some of my favorite stamps. This first little Haulsie is from Simon Says Stamp, and I wanted to share these because I recently discovered Kindred Stamps, which is a small stamp company that does stamp sets with themes of famous TV shows or movies, and I don't think there's anything else like them. This first set is called Time Traveler, and it is one that's themed with Doctor Who stamps, and my hubby and I absolutely love Doctor Who. And I loved that they had the TARDIS, a Dalek, the what is it, the Sleeping Angels or whatever they're called from that series Blink, and of course the Doctor. And I just think this is so cute. I can think of so many scene cards that I could make with this. Then there's also a series of stamp sets with kind of a Star Wars theme. This is kind of the original set. It's got Darth Vader, Princess Leia, Luke and Han Solo, and lightsaber. Super, super cute. There is another set, but it was out of stock when I placed the order, so that's on my wish list for the next round. Then there's this Mama Elephant stamp set, and it's called Yappy Wolfmas, and of course I had to get it. It's got cute little dogs in some Christmas little scenes, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I think this is supposed to be a dog too, but it looks a little bit like a cat. So if you're a cat person, this might work for you too. So, so darling. I love all of the little mini scenes that these little puppies are in. So as much as I really wanted to not buy more stamp sets, I couldn't pass them up. The other stamp sets that I picked up are all from the Greeting Farm. Most of you are probably aware of this, but some of you may not be. The Greeting Farm does something called the Farmer's Market Sale about once a quarter or so, and they don't tell you in advance what the stamps are going to be. And in the past, you had to it was like on a first come, first serve basis, and they had very limited quantities. So I used to set my alarm for 1 in the morning, East Coast time, to wake up and try to find stamp sets at steep discounts. Now, the new format that they've come up with is for 24 hours, you can order any of the stamp sets that they've listed on the farmer's market as a pre-order, and then they'll have them manufactured as many as people actually order. So it's much less stressful. I love the new format, and when I saw that these stamps were in the farmer's market sale this past, I think in the middle of September, I was on vacation, but I checked these out, and the larger stamp set, these kits, were I think like 20% off. I think I got them for like $40. Plus, because my order was more than, I think the limit is $75, I also got free shipping. This set is called Secret Santa, and it's got these adorable little kids with packages, and this one in particular I think really looks like Harry Potter, so I was really glad to pick this up. The other kit that I got was Sparkle, and it has these cute little girls with feathers and little gems, and it's absolutely adorable. This is a slightly smaller format. I think there are like 12 of them, whereas on this one there's 8 of them. They're a little bit larger format images. And this last little girl I picked up, I've wanted her for a long time. She's called Frappy Anya. The one thing you should know, if you buy stamps from the farmer's market, they do not come with face cards. Usually for the smaller ones, I can kind of make up my own face cards. I just print down an image from online. But these larger kits, I've had a hard time finding anything that is actually a high enough digital quality to kind of make my own face card for these. So I will ask if anybody has either the Sparkle set or the Secret Santa set, or both of them, with the face card. I'd love, love, love if I could get a copy, a color copy of your face card. If you do have something like that, I'd be happy to pay for copying and postage and But I absolutely love these stamps, and I'm glad I got them for a really great price. I think this one was like 50% off, and these might have been like 25% off, something like that, plus free shipping. So I did want to tell you guys about the farmers market and the newish, I guess, format. I think they've done it this format a couple of times now. And their next sale, I believe, is like December 20th or something like that. I'll put a link in the description box below if you're interested in checking that out and putting that on your calendar. Anyway, that's it for my little Halsey share. I hope you guys are having a wonderful crafty day. Thanks so much for watching.